Where are we going, bro? You don't know?
You never told me.
Oh, okay. What are we going to do? Don't know.
What are we in right now?
Alright, where are we going?
We are going to Lake Eufaula, a new campground for us, Lady Bird Landing, which is near the dam. So we've rented a boat with some friends. We have all of our inflatable watercraft, and it's Labor Day, so we're spending a longer weekend.
Recreation.gov site, not a state park site. There are many state parks on Eufaula. We've been to a couple. Arrowhead, you can check out that video. I think we have one on there on the channel too. We're looking forward to having a fun time with our friends, hanging out on the water and getting away.
Great mascots in Oklahoma, the Ironheads.
Eufaula Ironheads. Turn on me. We have spotted the Dollar General, which is a must for Oklahoma camping. You must know where they are. These are the best place to pick up whatever you forgot. Sometimes.
We made it down to Lady Bird Landing and got all set up. It's very humid, right on the water though. So pretty good campsite all around. We got everything leveled, which was a challenge. I'll give you a quick rundown of the campsite. We are right on the water at Lake Eufaula. We've got fire pit and all of the usual things around us. Elevated campsite, really unlevel. Great view of the lake. It's going to be a nice campsite. We got our camp fan started. Nice and humid. Cammie just fell out of the RV. As you can see, it was a chore to get level, but here we are.
But also, Daddy, I don't like.
First morning at Lake Eufaula, Lady Bird Landing. It's a little foggy, a little chilly, feels pretty nice. It's really quiet, peaceful, except for that one bird and that kid. Hopefully we have a relaxing day. We've rented a boat. We're gonna go exploring around the lake a little bit with some friends of ours that are camping with us. We have some other friends of ours that also have a boat. I think there's some wakeboarding on tap for some of those people, not me. There'll probably be some tubing. I'm gonna take our paddleboard out, so hopefully we can have some fun on the water and stay cool.
take it? Do you want him to take it easy on you, or just let it go?
And we'll start out slow. Good catch your way.
Hey Ian, who fell off first, you or Kelsey? Kelsey?
Look at there.
Oh, you got Cooper. He's going for a ride.
Cooper?
He's like, no, I don't want to fall in the water. You better pull back in.
He's sitting on the end.
He's all scratched up.
Cooper didn't think that through. Come on, Cooper. So the rental boat ran out of gas. We tied up to a dock while we wait for someone to bring fuel. We don't really know how long that's going to take. We're pretty sure we ran out of gas around 3:30. Is that?
I was thinking it was 3:30.
Yeah, so we've been here for about an hour. Still got nothing. To the rescue.
You can stay on if you want.
Another peaceful morning here on Lake Eufaula at Lady Bird Landing. Had a fish fry with some friends and camping partners last night, and then ended with a little campfire. Pretty low-key evening after a long day out on the water. Cammy and Ian are probably going to do more of the same today out on the boat. I'm considering just hanging out at the campsite and relaxing a little bit more today. We have the boat for all day today, and then we'll head home tomorrow morning. Looks like it's going to be a really nice day. No fog this morning like there was yesterday. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer today, so we'll see how much time we spend on the boat, or if it gets too hot for us. Otherwise, pretty typical campsite day. Cammy and Ian went back out on the boat with the McGuires. I did some paddle boarding and set up the hammock, so I'm gonna get a little relaxation time alone here back at the campsite for a couple hours hopefully. Then we'll all have lunch and see what happens.
kind of dance are you doing, buddy?
That's me.
Okay. Did you have fun on the boat? Did they make you swim?
I slept on it.
I saw that picture.
It's a tree source.
Keep going.
I'm not going to. You're videoing.
So?
I want you to stop. I'm just saying a source after in a British accent after everything I see.
So tell us what you're eating then.
It's a Cheaposaurus. And it died.
Watch out for us. What have we been doing for the last 2 days?
Going on a boat.
And what have you done on the boat?
Tubing.
What do you think about tubing?
It's fun.
Is it your new favorite thing?
Not really.
Are you very good at it? Yes. Do you feel overconfident in how good you are at it? Kind of. Are you gonna be sad when we can't do it tomorrow? No. No. Tomorrow we go home. We got school on Tuesday. Has it been a good weekend of camping? Yeah? You want to come back here? Maybe? Yeah? Just a tube?
How was our trip? Would you go again? Would you want a tube again? What was your favorite part? Tubing. All right, that was a wrap on